Hey, it's Vas here from Metro Hobbies, and today we're going to be showcasing a new product here at the store. Something that I'm really excited about and been highly requested by a lot of our customers in the past. These are our new line of construction vehicles from Huina Toys. Okay, so when you get one of these out of the box, you're going to be greeted, of course, with the product itself. You get the remote and you will see an instruction manual that is advised that you read through so you know how the whole thing works. Now, you are going to need some AA batteries for the radio. The radio itself actually runs on 4, and the RC itself also runs on 4 AA's. Now, looking at the RC product itself, this is a heavy product. It is proper die cast, so it does have a bit of heft to it, and there is a lot of scale detail that they've put into the product itself. These have got full functioning sort of loader. It pivots in the middle as well. You got detailed railings for the steps and everything else, working LEDs. There's also sound on here that you can turn on and off. The tires themselves are a hard compound rubber, which do have a little bit of flex to them. So, you know, it does feel very realistic. And as I said, a lot of scale detail has gone into these particular products. And as you can see, we've got 4 different ones here. We've got the wheel loader, we've got the dump truck, we've got the forklift, and of course we've got the big excavator, which is really the cream of the crop. This is the top of the line from this range. It has a very unique box and packaging. Comes with a big oil bottle in there, and all of these products are available now at Metro Hobbies, and I gotta say I'm really excited to have them here because they look like a really good quality product. Okay, so that wraps up another video here on the channel. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Be sure to check out the video description down below where we'll have more information regarding the Huina Toys line of construction vehicles here at Metro Hobbies. If you have any further questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section down below. Don't forget to hit that like button on your way out and subscribe if you're new, because we've got plenty more content coming up. Thank you all very much for watching, and I'll speak to you all next time.